Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a tip on how to update every app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So what you want to do is run your command prompt, and you're going to want to type winget space update. In doing so, you are going to get the list of every available update on your computer. Every software that has an update pending is going to be listed here. As you can see here, I have 19 updates available. It says upgrades, but it's updates. Well, in order to launch this update, what we are going to do is type this command winget space upgrade this time space dash dash all. You can select what to upgrade, but I like to go with all. Alright, so the update is going to start shortly, and as you can see, it downloads directly from the website of each software. So this is a very handy tip. See you guys next time for more tips and tricks on how to fully exploit and automate Windows. Thank you.